Alright. Let me see if I got that on right. Alright. So, right before the junction. And here's a little trail. Just bear with me here. And it's a little conservation area. I like to keep an eye out. Because I moved into Tinlight. And so, well, I used to live in Tweed, but I got a better place in Tinlight. So, and then I found this area. Just bear with me here. It's a little conservation area. And I found several, things. I did find a dead, my friend said it was like a common, it's a funny word, but, it was around here. So, I don't know if something got it or anything. And I know there's a beaver around. Because there's a beaver dam way over there in the corner. Ugh, my allergies are bad. And then I'm going to try, if the turtles don't move. Where are you here? There you are. They're over there on the log. Try to get like different pictures and stuff. So, and then what else is there? There's a whole bunch of milkweed over here, and I'm like walking into a jungle. Literally. It's just funny. There's a little pond over here. And then if you see the sign right there. Sorry. Now I'm going to show you where the milkweeds are. And I'm praying no one cuts them down, because we need them. So I'm hoping I got this right. So a lot of them here. I'm checking. Well, pretty much like every day. Well, once the weather gets better. There's some more just along here. Yep, and there. So I try to keep an eye on this place. I know there's a beaver around here somewhere. Yeah. So, yep. And then if you go further down, there's the Tinlight what is that called? Graveyard. Oops. Yeah. Yeah, Tinlight Graveyard, and yeah. Yeah, just way down there. Right down there. So, yeah. I found my new nature spot. So I'm hoping, because everything is late, I'm hoping of raising more monarchs This will be my 5th year, and yes, I got a certificate thingy saying that I can. And yes, I'll be releasing them. So yeah, I'm hoping no one cuts the not the dandelions, oh my god, milkweeds. And I know around on the side of the road there is more milkweeds there too, so I'm hoping they don't either. So yeah, Nature 101 as I like to call it. Yeah, and I'll be letting you guys know about if I find any monarchs or eggs or anything. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, so I'm hoping we have a good year this year. Hoping to save a lot of well, butterflies, bumblebees, honeybees, and yeah, it's been one crappy spring, that's for sure. But yeah, I'll keep on liking, keep on following me or anything like that. And there's a bumblebee here somewhere. Yep. If you have any questions, comment if you want. And that's pretty much it. Have a good day, or yeah. Oops. That's silly, sorry. Yep. Bye guys.